Namaste, I'm Zaida, I'm from Colombia and I'm a teacher. Also, I'm a dancer and I'm a coaching. And I found this beautiful place here in Tapovan in Rishikesh. I'm so grateful to find this place because here I found a training course in meditation, in yoga, and it really helped me a lot, not only for my career but also for my life, because I learned different techniques, different strategies in order to wake my spiritual, my consciousness processes. I'm so really grateful with all the staff here of Yoga Essence, with Swamiji, with my teacher Yoga Anup, with all the staff, because here all people is so friendly. Here you can find not only teachers, not only people who helps you in your awakening, but also a family. I found here a family, I found friends, and I found an experience, a very beautiful experience that really transformed different aspects in my life. So I'm really happy to come back to my country to learn and to teach these techniques to all of my students, all of my family, even to teach them how to handle different things about mind, body, and emotions, that in order to be coherent. So I'm really thank you very much, Yoga Sense. This place is beautiful, peaceful, and I'm really I live this place. I live Rishikesh, really happy, peaceful, and so grateful. Thank you very much. Namaste.